everyone! In this video, we are going to learn how we can restrict the editing of folder access permissions based on the user's roles. If a user has full access to the SkyDoc folders record, then that user will be able to edit the access permissions of folders created by other users as well. In some cases, we may need to give full access of the SkyDoc folders records to some users so that they can create folders on their own, but this also allows them to edit the access permissions of other users. With this new release, if any other user tries to edit the access permissions created by a different user, it will show an error. If the owner of the SkyDoc folder is trying to edit the access permissions, no error will appear. For example, this here is a folder that I did not create, so if I try to edit the access permissions and save this record, an error will appear. Now, this is a folder that I did create. If I try to change the access permissions and then save the record, it will be saved successfully. If we need to give access permissions to any other roles, we need to do this by navigating to Setup, SkyDoc, and SkyDoc Roles. On the SkyDoc Roles page, we have a field for folder access permission roles. Here, we need to select the roles that we wish to give access to so that they can edit the access permissions of any folder in this account. Once we select the roles, we need to click on Submit to save the changes. Now, I'm trying to edit the access permissions of the same folder that showed me an error message when I tried to edit the permissions previously. But now, since I selected Administrator in the SkyDoc Roles page, I should be able to edit the access permissions. Here, I am unchecking Access to All Employees and clicking Save. It will now be saved without any error since I gave access to administrators. So, this is how we can restrict the editing of SkyDoc access permissions based on user roles.